wishes, 7 gifts, and 7 wishes. Pagay na po natin yung 7 gifts. Okay, for our first, we have Alicia Ramos. For our 7 gifts, Alicia Ramos. Okay, and then Ate Alicia, your message for Kuya Ivan.
Laughter and all your favorite things. Wishing you the happiest birthday.
Eh, ikaw na pala susunod.
Siya naman kay Kuya Ivan. For our next, here we have Ate Kay.
Happy birthday, Evan. Wish you all the best.
Siya naman kayo Kuya Ivan. Okay, for our next, we have Bless Reyes.
Happy birthday, Evan. Sana madami kang maging jowa. Be healthy as always. Happy birthday ulit.
At siya naman kay Ate Bless. Marami naman yung wish ko for Kuya Ivan. Maging madami na tayo, madaming jowa. Okay. For our next, we have Constantine. Next, okay, next, we have Alex James.
Birthday, Evan.
Maraming mabuting bata. O, picture na bunso. Okay, for our next, we have Kuya Zai.
Dear Ivan, thank you for inviting me to your special day. I wish to be you will be healthy and be a good kid. God bless, we love you.
Sa picture na lang kayo bunso. Okay, for our last, we have Yana Santiago.
Nabasa mo na?
Alin? Yung wish pa?
Birthday na. Sige na.
Mamaya, doon ka.
Okay, bunso, are you happy po na nandito ka sa Jollibee Bananas